3月28日，一年一度的横幅陵园春季活动于2026年3月28日如期举行，吸引约150名来自社区各界的民众前来参观与参与。活动现场庄重而温馨，不仅寄托了人们对先人的深切缅怀之情，也为社区提供了一个了解与传承中华传统文化的重要平台。正如一句发人深省的话所言，我们无法选择出生之地，但可以选择最终安息之所。在生命的终点之上，如何为自己与家人寻得一方安宁之地，逐渐成为越来越多家庭理性思考的重要课题。清明节作为中华民族4大传统节日之一，承载着慎终追远、感恩先人的深厚文化内涵。每逢清明前后，不少家庭都会有晚辈与长者共同商议扫墓祭祖的时间，在追思先人的同时，也进一步增强家庭成员之间的情感联系。与此同时，随着观念的转变，越来越多家庭在缅怀先人之际，也开始提前规划家族未来的安息之所，将孝的理念从对过去的追忆延伸到对未来的安排，使家族记忆与精神得以延续。为弘扬和传承这一传统文化，横幅陵园亚裔服务部于在新泽西州老佛爷郡横幅陵园举办了春季公展日活动。当天特别邀请 AM1480 电台 DJ 到场进行采访与报道，通过媒体平台向更广泛的社区传播春季文化的意义与价值。活动吸引了众多社区民众前来参与，不少家庭在现场认真聆听讲解，深入了解清明祭祀文化及陵园服务内容。现场还特别安排了持证专业经纪，为有需求的家庭提供1对1咨询服务，帮助民众根据自身情况提前挑选合适的福地，规划人生最后的归宿。随着时代的发展与社会观念的不断变化，人们对于传统文化的尊重与认同日益增强。横幅陵园每年举办的春季活动，不仅成为民众缅怀先人、寄托哀思的重要载体，也逐渐演变为一个集文化传承、生命教育与理性规划于一体的综合性平台。越来越多的参与者表示，通过这样的活动，不仅加深了对清明文化的理解，也更加从容地面对生命的自然规律，为自己及家人提前做出周全安排。横幅陵园整体环境优越，被誉为人生100年后的高山唐人街。园区依山而建，地势开阔，海拔高度相当于100层楼之上，四周青山环抱，景色清幽宁静。从风水格局来看，园区拥有9龙龟守护、万福牌坊庇佑，寓意吉祥安宁。群狮守护阵后，一尊高达2米多的汉白玉地藏王菩萨像，进一步完善整体人文与风水布局。在规划与服务方面，横幅陵园同样展现出专业与用心。园区内设有10多个以中文命名的主题园区，充分考虑华人文化习惯与审美需求，提供多种坐向与不同规格的福地选择，满足不同家庭的多元需求。陵园交通便利，配套完善，同时拥有雄厚的管理基金，用以保障园区长期的维护与规范管理，确保每一处福地都能得到持续而妥善的照护。此外，陵园特别设立亚裔专属服务办公室，由熟悉华人文化背景的专业团队提供服务，从咨询、选址到后续管理，均可给予细致周到的协助，让社区民众在面对人生重要选择时更加安心与从容。此次春季公展日的成功举办，再次彰显了横幅陵园在弘扬中华传统文化、服务华人社区方面所做出的积极努力。活动不仅让更多人理解清明节慎终追远的深刻内涵，也引导人们以更加理性从容的态度面对生命的归宿问题。在文化传承与现代服务的融合之下，横幅陵园正逐步成为连接过去与未来的重要纽带，让家族的记忆与精神得以延续，讓人生最後的歸宿更加安寧與圓滿。
約你參觀視野開闊，管理完善，獨立地契，身受各地唔同文化習俗嘅持久喜愛，每平嘅小朋友特登嚟到現場，都能夠得到。
今日咧係我哋幸福陵園咧2026年嘅春祭，咁我哋咧每年咧幸福陵園都會有2個大型嘅節日嘅，一個咧就係清明嘅前後，我哋叫做春祭；另外一個咧就係重陽嘅前後，我哋叫做秋祭嘅。咁我哋今日咧都有好多客人啦，大家都會睇到有好多嘅車。我哋今日嘅客人咧拜祭同埋行山嘅客人都超過係接近係150位嘅。咁我哋今日嚟到嘅現場咧係非常之熱鬧啦，個風景咧亦都係好好嘅。嗱，依家大家可以睇到我哋係好傳統嘅中華文化嘅活動啦。咁我哋幸福陵園咧係全新開發嘅，就喺 New Jersey 啦。我哋喺唐人街荷蘭隧道過嚟，大概係50分鐘車程。咁如果係話法拉盛嘅朋友咧，係可以行華盛頓橋；多倫嘅朋友咧係可以通過 Sterling 呢邊咧係可以過嚟嘅。咁我哋幸福陵園依家咧目前大細咧已經係有10幾個嘅中文園區咧係可以係俾大家去購買。咁我哋幸福陵園依家係每周7天都係免費接送大家過嚟參觀嘅。咁大家咧就係可以記低我哋嘅電話201-676-8888，201-676-8888係嚟諮詢或者係預約。咁如果係話想自己自駕嘅朋友咧都冇問題㗎。咁只需要係話 call 我哋知道我哋嘅電話係201-676-8888，201-676-8888。咁樣我哋係可以俾地址客人啦，或者係提早1日預約。你哋喺福倫、唐人街或者係法拉盛邊個上車點，我哋有固定嘅上車地點同時間係俾大家去免費接送大家上嚟參觀嘅。咁而家我哋幸福陵園目前嘅價錢呢，就係由3988起至接近12蚊呢個區間㗎。咁我哋係有唔同嘅尺寸啦，唔同嘅方位朝向啦，唔同嘅價錢。由開發至今呢，依家都係仲有係幾萬個位置係可以售賣嘅，而且我哋每一個位置咧都係有獨立嘅地契係提供俾客人嘅。
Today is sort of a culmination for all of us here at all of our cemeteries, but particularly Eternal Sunset Memorial Park and Cemetery. And you know, while we're a young cemetery, we've really become known as the go-to cemetery for families throughout Brooklyn, Flushing, and the Chinatown community in New Jersey, the whole metropolitan area. And as we were discussing earlier today, there are, you know, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people. I think if I look out here in the distance, I can see several hundred cars, but more importantly, the transportation that we've provided, you know, the buses that people have made reservations for to come out. And I think that's one of the special things about Eternal Sunset is families that live in Brooklyn and live in Chinatown or Flushing and don't have transportation of their own, they can call and make reservations, and we're happy to bring them out and let them pay their respects. But this is a very special day. You know, literally, I mean, I could say there's 500 or 600 people here right now, and we've had the ceremonies. People are paying their respects to their ancestors. The children are out here, the grandchildren are out here. So it's very special for me to be out here, and it's such a beautiful sunny day. It's a little on the chilly side, but we're all dressed for it, and it's a little for us to endure to come and pay our respects to our ancestors.
嗱，今日不時先生講到，其實今日幸福年咧真係好熱鬧啊！咁現場咧，我哋見到咧，即係好多車成，即係加埋咗幾十部車喺度咧。其實講呢樣嘢就係話幸福陵園咧，同時我哋依家咧現場咧都今日有超過100個人喺度咧，其實。大家咧喺拜祭方面各方面咧，其實我哋都係可以做到好從容啦，因為幸福陵園本身係一個好大嗰個高山冒險。咁班時咧提到就其實雖然幸福陵園咧短嘅幾年嘅時間，但係已經喺我哋個環社區嚟講係非常之多人已經知道，因為我哋除咗話有一個專業嘅持證經紀嘅服務團隊之外咧，我哋更加係喺5大區咧可以提供咗不收費嘅接送個活動，包括今次呢一個咁成功嘅清明拜祭呢個活動咧，我哋係安排咗好多嘅車輛喺福倫唐人街法拉盛咧係有接送，所以令到咧其實每一年呢個活動咧，我哋係越嚟越成功。其實今年嚟講，我哋嘅人數咧係比舊年咧係 double 咗嘅。我哋希望大家咧係可以依家即刻撥打我哋嘅電視，不是 to say the number?
201 676
啊，冇錯啦，咁我哋嘅接送電話就係2016768888。
So another thing that I think is real important for us out here is that Eternal Sunset is really a spectacular cemetery. It has views of the north, the south, the east, and the west. And we're constantly developing new sections. And even today I was with some of the management and we're looking to lay out another 4,000 to 5,000 new burial spaces. But so the construction and the development continues to grow. We started with 78 acres that we purchased and we're continuing to develop, and then we purchased ground up the street. We're going to be developing more ground. And so we've so many different types of burial property. We have terrace graves, regular traditional graves, and we have so many wonderful things for families, and we really can meet all the economic needs for all families with the different sized graves. And then the senior management is here on a regular basis. We have our staff here. We're planting new gardens all the time that we're planting. Most recently we had the new Buddha that was established above the sunflower garden. And so it's really wonderful over there. And we have new gardens that we're developing and planting more terraced graves. So it's really wonderful for what we're doing.
係啦，嗰陣時先咧提到幸福陵園咧，之所以喺呢幾年短時間可以建設成咁完善環境、咁優美、咁有個高山無緣，其實我哋一個好專業嘅服務團隊啦，包括好專業嘅超過50年嘅管理團隊喺度，所以其實幸福陵園不斷咁樣係開發個速度可以講係墓園行業嚟講一個傳奇嚟㗎。我哋好快咁樣短幾年時間已經係發展有超過20個中文園區，包括我哋呢幾年有安置咗獅王守護鎮啦，九龍龜啦，萬福牌坊，咁包括舊年我哋有做咗響西北新個區嗰邊咧，一層一層嘅新個區上邊咧，我哋有一個地藏王菩薩，所以令到好多嘅家庭其實每一次過嚟參觀了解咧，佢哋都好驚嘆，哇！幸福年短咁幾年時間可以做成咁樣，真係好了不起。我哋更加開心就係好多以前有買咗幅地嘅咧，佢哋都好樂意咧去推介同埋介紹佢身邊個朋友過嚟幸福年去揀呢個幅地嘅，所以我哋係期待同幸福年好多佢專業人士，真係做咗幾十年個墓園行業嘅專業人士咧，我哋個持證經紀個服務團隊咧，我哋係好期待喺接落嚟嘅呢一個幾年嘅時間，我覺得我哋繼續係可以協助我哋個環社區咧，響幸福陵園呢度可以揀到令到佢哋自己同埋家人更加滿意個風水寶地嘅。咁我哋嘅接送電話就係
201
係啦，呢個201-676-8888呢個接送電話，你阿巴士先生咧都好流暢咁講到噶啦。咁你只要撥打電話，想響唐人街、砵蘭或者係法拉盛上車，我哋都可以安排嘅，幾個人都冇問題啊。